Hi, Sudhir from Coding Freaks. Before we dive into any of the services, let us understand the global infrastructure of AWS Cloud. AWS is maintaining an interactive map-based web page for this. Let's start. Launch your favorite browser and surf the web page infrastructure.aws. Click on this link. You will see the globe with infra of AWS Cloud. To understand the infrastructure hierarchy, navigate to Global Infrastructure. Select the orange dot representing region. Region is physical location around the world in the form of clusters of data center. Each group of logical data centers is an availability zone. Each AWS region consists of multiple isolated and physically separated AZs within that physical area. This region is connected to global network with the 100 Gbps intercontinental network. At the time of recording, AWS has 23 regions and most of these has 3 or more AZs. Now expand the blue dot, which is an availability zone, AZ. An AZ is one or more discrete data center with redundant power, networking, and connectivity in AWS region. All AZs in an AWS region are interconnected with high bandwidth, low latency network over fully redundant dedicated metro fiber providing high throughput, low latency networking between AZs. All traffic between AZs is encrypted. AZs are physically separated by a meaningful distance, many kilometers, from any other AZ. Although all are within 100 km, which is 60 miles of each other, which reduce the risk of data center failure because of power outage, lightning strike, tornado, earthquake, and more. Expand the gray dot, which is data center. A data center is a physical building and our highly secured location. One or more data center makes one AZ. Expand the purple dot, which is point of presence. Performance boosting part of AWS global infrastructure is point of presence, POP. The POPs are used to deliver content to the end user at high speed. These are the places where data is cached in multiple locations and served to the end user from the nearest geographical point. At present, there are 216 points of presence, out of which 205 are edge locations and 11 are regional edge caches. These are present in 86 cities across 42 countries. Your end user might connect to either POP or directly to data center, and now local zones also, which are a new type of AWS infrastructure deployment and extension of region that places AWS compute, storage, database and other services closer to large population, industry and IT centers, where no AWS region exists today. With AWS local zones, you can easily run latency sensitive portion of applications local to end user and resources in specific geography, delivering single digit millisecond latency for use case like online gaming, etc. This is brief about AWS global infrastructure. Thank you.